Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this jumping number problem of GFG. So let's move on to the problem guys. So here we are given a positive number x and we have to find out the largest jumping number which is smaller or equal to x. Means we are given x and we have to find out a number that is less than or is equal to x, and that number should be a jumping number. Now what is a jumping number? Jumping number is a number where all adjacent digits should differ by 1. All adjacent digits in it should be differ by 1 only. Like suppose if this is a digit, this is a digit a, then this digit can be a plus 1, or this digit can be a minus 1, so that difference between these two will remain 1. Okay guys, so now, so how we will do it? So for 10 the maximum number can be 10, like why 10? Because it is 1, it is 0, difference between digit is 1, so it can be a, yeah, it is a jumping number. But for next example 50, the difference between both the digit is 5, so this is not a jumping number. So for finding a jumping number, the biggest jumping number can be possible is 45. Okay, no number can be bigger than this possible a jumping number that is less than or is equal to 50. So how we will do it guys? So like for 50, what we will do, from 1 to 9, because we cannot start a number from 0, from 1 to 9 we will, just a minute. Okay, so from 1 to 9 we will push back all number in a queue and then iterate all number one by one. Like first of all we will take 1, we will take 1, then we know my current number is 1 and the last digit in this is 1. Means why? This is my current number 1, so the next digit we are adding digit by digit. So the next digit that we need to add is only related to this, because the difference between this should be is equal to 1. Now previous old digits should be counted, we already set them, but now we only need to check the next digit. So only this is the digit that added to us. Okay guys, so here what we can do, we can either take 0, 1 minus 1, or either we can take 2, 1 plus 1. So difference between 1 and 0 is 1, difference between 1 and 2 is 1. Okay guys, so suppose we have a number, like suppose for a minute we have a number 367 something, suppose this, and x is 4000, suppose x is, oh, yes, suppose 4000. Now this is my current number, the last digit that is matter for me is 7. So last digit is 7. Now I know I can either add 6 last digit minus 1, so that difference became 1, and or it can be 8, 7 minus 1, or can be 7 plus 1. Well and good. So now what can my possible number is 367, and the last digit can be 6. So how I will make the next possible number, or it can be up to 3 6 7 8. So I will make this number current into 10 plus last plus minus 1. Okay, you can say 367 into 10 will gives me 3670, 3670. Now I will once add 7 minus 1, that is 6, it will gives me this number. Once I will gonna to add it 8, it will gonna me this number. So these both number I will got like this, 3676, 3678. But suppose if my number given to x is given to me is 3677, suppose for a minute it is this, then for this particular x we can add this number in my queue. Means this is a possible number, this is a possible number, but can this is a possible number? No, this is not, because this is greater than my x, so this number cannot be a possible number. So I will not gonna to add this in my queue, I will only add this. Okay guys, but here two special condition. When l is equal to 0, means when l is equal to 0, then you cannot add 0 minus 1. So you can, there are two digit, 0 minus 1 or 0 plus 1, so you can only add 1, you cannot add minus 1. Okay, because that digit cannot be minus 1. Okay guys, and second special condition is for l is equal to 9. For l is equal to 9, you can add 9 plus 1, that is 10, 9 minus 1, that is 8. But you can add only 8, you cannot add 10, because 10 cannot be a single digit number. Okay guys, I hope you will understand. We are doing uh, digit by digit operation, and each digit we are configure or we are checking from the previous digit. Okay, so this is what we are doing now. But if my x is less than, or it can be up to, is equal to as well. So if my x is single digit or up to 10, because I know single digit number is always a jumping number, because it is a single digit number, and 10 is always is also a jumping number. Okay, so if my x is less than is equal to 10, then I can directly return x, or I can use a q operation as well. It's completely up to you. I just return it, or I don't need to actually. Now I take a queue. I will gonna to insert all the number up to 1 to n. Okay, okay, I need it. I need it. Why I need it? As well, suppose my x is 5, but I will gonna to insert 1 to 9 in my queue. So it will take 9, but 9 cannot be a possible number, because in each operation I am doing answer and answer comma car. Okay, that's why either I need to check if it is a single digit, then add all number, then if it is multi-digit number, then add all digit. If it is single digit number, then add till 1 to up to that particular digit, like here 5, then add only 1 to 5 number in my queue. So that, because 6 7 8 9 cannot be a possible number, because they are greater than 5. Okay, so I just written this particular statement to reduce the length of my code. So I will take q of int type for I is equal to 1 to I less than 10, means all the single digit number 1 to 9 I will gonna to push back in my queue. Then I will take answer is equal to 0, means initially I does not have any answer. Now while my q dot size means there is some possible number in my queue still left, then I will take like this current is equal to q dot front, means this is my current number. I will update my answer will maximum of answer comma current, because I know current number will always be less than or is equal to x. So I will update my answer is my answer is the final number. So I will update my answer, like answer will represent the maximum number that can be a possible. Okay, I will update it on each iteration. Like for a particular number there are many number possible, like for 3 6 7 7, like suppose for 15 they are up to 1 to 9 all number possible, then 10 is also possible, then 12 also possible, for 14. Okay, these number are possible. So I will update for 1 2 up to 9, then for 10, then for 12, then there are all there are other number will also come. Okay, so I am going to update again and again. So now guys, this is answer comma car. Okay, well and good. So now, and I will remove that particular number, means I take it calculation, I calculate it. Now I have to add the new number I can form using this particular number. The last digit is car modulo 10. uh, okay, this will gives me the last digit. If this is equal to 0, then I know I can only add 1 in it, means 0 plus 1, that is 1. If this number is less than is equal to x, then I will add this in my queue. If L is equal to 9, I know I can only add 9 minus 1, that is 8. If this number is less than x, I will update add it in my queue. Else while I can add L plus 1 or L minus 1, and but I will check if my next number by adding L plus 1 digit is less than x, I will add it. If L minus 1 is less than x, I will add it. Okay, so similarly these operation I will continue to do. Then at last I just return answer. Okay guys, this is what I am gonna to do. This is just simple BFS operation, just like graph. So you can see all 1101 test cases pass out. I hope you all understand the approach. If you have any doubt, then just comment out, or if you understand, then then also comment out, because it will motivate me to make more these type of videos. Thank you for watching this guys. Stay tuned and please subscribe my channel, because I daily upload the GFG problem of the test solution now regularly. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this guys.